How to advertise Temu worldwide. So before we begin, you can click on my link below to sign up as a Temu affiliate so you can follow along this tutorial and start earning some money. So now once you click on my link, just simply click on get started over here. And after that, just simply go ahead and provide your email address over here and just simply register into an account, or down below you can just simply continue with the social media platforms over here like Twitter, Apple, Facebook, or Google. So in my case, I will continue with my Google account. So click on this Google icon, and after that I'm gonna select an account, and from there just simply click on continue over here, and from there it will redirect you to the affiliate page of Temu. And now, as you can see here, right away, you will have the description of 20% commission when the person download the app and order a place within 30 days. And for every referral who download and log in, you will get a $5 download reward. So from here, you can click on a share to earn, guys. And after that, you can just simply click on the copy link over here, or you can just simply get this template over here. And now, if we scroll down, we should be able to see here multiple options as well. So you can promote $100 coupon bundle. So you just simply click on share, and it will be the same process, guys. And it will be the same thing on the exclusive deal and the save big. So just simply promote whichever you prefer, and you will have over here as well pick items. So click on pick items, and from here you can just simply share a specific product, and you should be able to see here your max commission. And if you want to share it, you can just simply click on share, and it will be just the same process over here. So you can copy the template or just simply copy the link itself. So now when we go back to the affiliate over here, as you can see, you will have here an option on the right side, simplify sharing. So as you can see right away, you should be able to share it on a Facebook group. And when you click on a go to site over here, it will redirect you to the Facebook, and you will have a list of groups that you can promote your link. And guys, you can promote it on other social media platform as well, like TikTok, Instagram. And as you can see, when we go back to the affiliate page, you will have here send to your friends as well. And as you can see, this is the recommended platform that they have, like Twitter and Pinterest as well, or you can go for email. And that's pretty much it. Just simply spread your link across to a different social media platform, and there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.